Introducing Oz Manufacturing, a fully Australian-owned and operated company located in Western Sydney, focused on the local manufacturing of quality certified Level 2 single-use 3-ply disposable face masks. To provide customers with the utmost confidence in their product, Oz Manufacturing has best practice ISO certifications. Their masks have been tested by the CSIRO to ensure they meet the Australian standards and are in the final stage of approval by the Therapeutic Goods Administration. All masks are perfectly suited for any industry requiring certified protective equipment such as aged care and healthcare. The quality of the product is ensured by effective inspection methods throughout production and, most importantly, when picking the raw materials from the supplier. The entire production is conducted in a purpose-built clean room area which controls the temperature and humidity levels and ensures that dust or microorganisms that could affect the quality of the mask are kept to a minimum. Staff must wear a complete uniform including hairnet, mask and gloves. Oz Manufacturing face mask machines are fully automatic for producing the folded mask by using ultrasonic technology to bond the 3 layers of non-woven fabric. The inner layer is a common non-woven fabric which is mainly used to absorb the moisture released by the wearer. The outer layer is a waterproof non-woven fabric which is mainly used to isolate the liquid spray. The middle layer is the filter layer and is used for the polypropylene meltdown non-woven fabric used as a barrier against germs. The edges of the mask are strengthened by additional non-woven fabric which is press-fit to the edges of the mask. Fixing the hanging ear rope to the 4 corners of the mask is done by a thermoforming device and bonded with an adhesive under the pressure device which presses faster than the blink of an eye. Oz Manufacturing's delivery time are a priority, just like the production quality of their Australian-made masks, with estimated delivery times of 48 hours on most orders. They ship locally, nationally, or even internationally. Once you receive your mask, it is important you wear it correctly. A mask is only as effective as it fits. There should be no gaps and should fully cover your nose and your mouth. A mask should even prevent fogging of eyeglasses if fitted properly. There are 3 things you should look for to ensure your mask fits correctly. The aluminium nose piece is at the top. The white or smoother side is on the inside against the wearer's skin. The colour always faces out. The pleats fall downwards and away from the nose, called a waterfall pleat. Masks should not be worn underneath the nose or dangle around the neck. They should either be fully on or disposed of. Unless contaminated, masks can be disposed of with the general waste, preferably a closed bin. A mask would be considered contaminated if it has been worn by a symptomatic worker or visitor to the workplace or is visibly soiled or damp. It is important to follow good hygiene before and after removing and disposing of your mask. For any further information or assistance, please call 1800 OzMade. That's 1800 696233.